Excellent research not only takes place within scientific communities, but often engages with stakeholders outside academia, such as communities, industry, and policymakers. This engagement is vital for ensuring that research addresses real-world issues and benefits society. In this regard, disseminating and applying your research findings beyond academic circles is crucial. Whether through workshops, seminars, collaborative projects, or public outreach, effective knowledge transfer is key to maximizing the impact of your work. Impact refers to the tangible changes or benefits your research brings to society, the economy, or the environment. As a researcher, you are often asked to demonstrate the impact of your research, and as evaluator, you also need to assess the impact of your peers' scientific work. This inevitably raises the question, how can the impact of your research and the research of others be measured transparently and effectively? Traditional metrics, such as publication counts and citation rates, fall short in capturing the full scope of research impact, although they are often used as proxies for research quality because they seem quick, easy to understand, and may at first glance seem like objective measures. However, we need a well-balanced mix of qualitative and quantitative methods and metrics to determine the significance, reach, and influence of research outcomes. This mix of methods should take into account the following complementary approaches, focusing on the impact of research within and beyond academia. Firstly, traditional citation analysis, such as citation count, H-index, impact factors, and other comparable indicators, can serve as an initial stepping stone to assess scientific impact based on the echoes within the academic community. Secondly, alternative indicators, so-called altmetrics, are suitable for grasping the impact outside academia. Such indicators include social media mentions, news coverage, and blog posts, which illuminate the visibility and acceptance of your research in society. Thirdly, in addition to the altmetrics, which provide an idea about the external perception of your research, other measurable indicators, such as download numbers or views, can offer a more immediate insight into the scope of your contributions. Fourthly, the evaluation and acceptance of your research by the scientific community also is a central consideration. Peer-reviewed evaluations, awards, and recognitions are key indicators of the impact of your research within your scientific community. Additionally, your collaborations and partnerships in networks within and beyond academia are suitable to indicate the acceptance of your work. Fifthly, considering the impact of research beyond academia, another important aspect is the implications of your research for policymaking and for other societal institutions. For example, in the form of recommendations and guidelines. Sixthly, public engagement can be assessed by considering talks, workshops, and seminars based on your research, which might both inform and involve non-academic communities. This includes the potential educational impact of influencing teaching materials and curricula. Finally, immediate proof of the impact of your research is its application in industry and the economy. This includes patents, spin-offs, and other forms of commercialization resulting from your research findings. Assessing impact means looking at long-term outcomes and the broader influence of your research on these various sectors. By purposefully combining qualitative and quantitative methods and metrics, researchers and institutions can gain a comprehensive understanding of the impact and value of their research. Together, we can ensure that research not only advances knowledge, but also brings meaningful benefits to society. Keep these approaches in mind as you evaluate and conduct your own research and the research of others.